Hi everyone, I'm Arvie and I'm here to do a tutorial on how to do face mask kasi nagkakaubusan na tayo sa Pilipinas or sa kahit ibang bansa sa Asia, nagkakaubusan na tayo ng face mask, even here sa Singapore. Kaya naisip ko why not teach everyone how to do their face mask kasi it's quite easy. Kung wala kayong sewing machine sa bahay, you can try to sew it by hand. It's not gonna be as, alam mo yon, yung perfect yung pagkakatahi. Actually, minsan yung mga marunong magtahi sa kamay, minsan mas perfect pa silang magtahi. So, madali lang naman siya and it can be done maybe in less than 30 minutes. So, yun. Tara, simulan na natin. So, ayan, first off, you're gonna need two kinds of fabric. Sa akin, ito kasi yung panloob. So, ito yung magiging loob nung face mask and then ito yung sa labas. Ang ginamit kong fabric is canvas kasi mas makapal siya compared to normal cotton fabric. So, feeling ko mas okay siya for me ha. And ito din, ang ginamit ko is cotton naman. It's kind of synthetic but at the same time, meron siyang halong linen. So, ayan. So, yan yung mga kailangan nyo. And lastly, you're gonna need a garter kasi para mag-hold sa ears nyo yung face mask. So, yan lang. And then, of course, you're gonna need a sewing machine or if you're gonna sew it yourself, you're gonna need a thread and a needle. And that's it. Okay, so you're gonna have to cut your outer layer ng fabric into this size. So, here, it's 14.5 cm. And here, it's 18 cm. So, yan. And then, ito naman, so, it's gonna be 14.5 cm dito, and then 26 cm. 14.5 cm and 26 cm. And then, what you're gonna do is to fold it into half. So, kaya ganyan. And pinalansya ko na rin siya para hindi na gumalaw. So, nakita nyo, hindi naman super perfect yung pagkakagupit ko, but it doesn't matter as long as nasunod nyo yung tamang sizing. Okay. By the way, etong size na to is for kids. Pero yung sa adult, same process pero magkaiba lang ng size. Later, dun sa description, I'm gonna tell you what is the size for adults. First off, yan. Tapos, pagtapos nyo nang i-fold, ilalagay nyo lang to sa unahan. Sa ibabaw. And then, after that, so sa middle siya dapat. Make sure it's 2.5 cm and 2.5 cm dito. So, yan. And then, you're gonna fold this into 1 cm. So, fold nyo siya ng 1 cm dito. And then, you're gonna fold it also here 1 cm. Pagka-fold nyo ng 1 cm dito, ifo-fold nyo din to 1 cm. Okay? So, ayan, what I do is, after I fold it, I iron it kasi it's gonna be much easier na tahiin later instead of putting pins one by one. So, pagka yan, na-fold nyo na and na-plancha nyo na, so, ganyan magiging itsura niya. And then, dapat ganyan. Yan. Pagpatungin nyo. Make sure nasa middle ha. So, this is how it should look like after. So, ayan. Ganyan. Then, what you're going to do is, you have to sew. So, kailangan nyo pong tahiin dito. And then, dito. So, ganyan magiging itsura niya pagkatapos yung tahiin. So, this is how it's going to look like after you sew it. So, ayan, ganyan na siya. And then, what we're going to do after is to fold it 3 times. So, ibalik na rin nyo. And then, ifo-fold nyo siya 3 times pa ganyan. So, ganyan dapat ang pag-fold. Ayusin ko lang, then I'm gonna show you how it looks like after. So, ayan. This is how it should look like after mo siyang i-tupi. So, after you fold it, so, dapat ganyan maging itsura niya. So, 3 folds, tapos ganyan lang. Roughly, if you're going to ask me what is the sizes of this, roughly about 1.5 cm. Pero kasi hindi ko na siya sinukat, parang hinulaan ko na lang, but still, it's okay. So, it doesn't have to be perfectly same sizes. Pero, ayan. So, if you want it to be perfect, kung OC kayo, 1.5 cm yung size niya. So, after nyan, after nyo tupiin and then ipin, is tatahiin nyo siya ngayon pag ganito. Okay? So, ang tahi, you're gonna have to sew it from here all the way here, 3.5 cm. Okay? Yeah, so let's start sewing. Okay, so after you sew it, this is how it should look like. Ganyan. Okay. And then after, what we're going to do is to fold this here, both sides. Ganyan. But leaving some space here para mapasok natin later yung garter. Okay? So, as you can see guys, I folded twice. Kasi, if hindi, maghihimol-mol siya. So, it's gonna thread. So, we want to avoid that. So, you have to fold it twice to hide it. Ayan. And then, after folding it, I will iron it para mas madaling, tahiin siya later. So, yan. After niya, tahiin nyo lang dito. Not here, but here. So, I'm gonna show you later where exactly I'm going to sew it. Kasi you have to leave a space here to put the, sabi ko nga, this one, the garter. Para sa ears. Okay? So, this is how it should look like after you sew the sides. So, yan. Okay na, diba? So, it's not gonna be perfectly sewn because minadali ko siya. But it doesn't really matter. So, ayan. After that, since meron pa rin tayong, nakikita nyo, I didn't sew it here. Dito ko siya tinahi. I sew it on this side. Kasi you want to leave a space here to put the garter. Okay? So, you just need to get your garter, and then if you have a pin, just put it here and then all the way there. Like that. So, it should be like this after. Yan, ganyan. And then, ganyan, gupitin niyo yung garter ng 23 cm, so you have to cut it. The size of this is 23 cm. Yan, yung length niya. And then, after, what you're going to do is to sew both ends. Pag natahi nyo na to, you just have to do the same on the other side, and then you're done. So, I'm gonna show you later the finished product after I sew this. Okay? Hi guys! So, yan! Tapos na tayo magtahi. So, this is how it should look like after you saw it. So, di ba, madali lang siya. Pero the one I did is for kids. Like what I said, it's the same procedure, it's the same process. Ang pinagkaiba lang is yung size. So, I'm gonna write down in the description below kung ano yung size para sa adult, and I'm gonna repeat it there also kung ano yung size for children para ayun na yung reference nyo. So, yan. So, it should look like this. Ganyan. Tinahi ko siya dito and dito. And then, ayan yung... So, if I try it. Ganyan. Pero medyo masikip siya sa akin, guys. Obvious naman. Kasi nga, itong ginawa ko is for kids. Tanggalin ko na. So, ayan. Pambata kasi itong ginawa ko. Honestly, I think it's gonna be helpful. And so far, I can still breathe even, tingnan nyo, kahit sobrang sikip niya kanina. Medyo hindi lang siya comfortable dito kasi nga, pang kids to. But, yung thickness niya is okay. I'm not saying it's gonna protect you 100%, but it's gonna help you guys since nagkakabusan na nga ng mask, like what I said earlier. So why not do something like this? You can do it via hand sew or using a sewing machine. So it really depends kung ano yung mas convenient para sa inyo and kung ano yung meron kayo. But definitely, everyone can do this, diba? So, I hope you guys like it, and if you have questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. Just comment it down below, and I'm going to answer all of your questions. And thank you for watching, and keep safe. So, siguraduhin nyo lang na mag-wash kayo ng hands, and protect yourself at all times, and I pray for those who are already sick and for those who are in the street, like homeless or less fortunate. I hope kahit papaano maging okay sila, cause I don't know what I'm saying right now, but I just feel sad for them. But let's see what I can do. Kasi I'm kind of helpless right now. I feel like I'm helpless kasi nga I'm too far from you guys, and I'm not sure if I'll be able to go home to Manila anytime soon. Pero I'm praying for everyone and everybody, to my friends and to my family especially. So, ayun, basta ingat lang tayo, and may God protect us at all times, and God bless you. Yes, bye.